Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video guys, ayan yung bike ko. So, I'm the only one left here sa bahay. I will show you what's inside of this house. Okay, so let's start sa genkan. Alright. So, ito yung genkan. This is the genkan in the house. Actually locked first the door since I'm the only one, and change. This is the shoe cabinet or cabinet of our shoes and slippers. And this is actually the first floor living area. Here, our table, and here it's food storage, our ref. And we also have this, yan, microwave. Here. So, ito yung kusina namin. Ayan. Let's proceed living here the first floor. So, I will not show you at the second floor. It's no trespassing tayo ngayon, guys. Ayan. So, I'm the only one left here. So, that's the second floor. And I'm staying here at the first floor, guys. So this is my room. So this is my bedroom. Okay, so, and my board mate, Myanmar. Stop. So we also have this dryer and washing machine. Yan. Mirror, wash bin or wash area. And we also have here, our bathroom. Ayan. So, this is the only thing that I'm gonna show you because I'm living at the first floor. So, toilet with the bidet, and the other side, no bidet. Okay. So, this is the inside view of my house. So, how much is this? My rental fee is 25,000 yen.
Wow.
So, just the rental of this house, 25,000 yen. Ayan. So, that's it for today, guys. And I hope you enjoy watching this mini vlog. Ayan. Goodbye!